Hi guys. Look at me. I want to talk this little girl. This little girl. She is laughing to me. I don't know. Oh no. What? She laughing. Laughing to me, guys. Laughing to me. Then, she putok. I got hubak, guys, because of the lumpia is talsik in the hand because laughing, eating. Nah, not good, guys, not good. So guys, gawa ak. I make this what called is this? She laughing to me because I told what cold is this? What cold is this because of my guys, she love my English Tagalog or Bisaya German. So she love to me because my Bisaya English mixing. I am hubak now because he lap. Don't lap. My sipon is rouse. My sipon is rouse because he lap. Kapoy. Oh, kapoy. Don't talk Bisaya. Kapoy. Guys. I'm so hubak because of my daughter. Lap to me. Don't lap to me. I do some juice for my bilbil dako. The sipon, the slime. This is like sipon. What is the English of the slime?
Slime. Condensed milk.
It's a condensed milk out in the nose. Ay, abot, guys. Kapoy, mag-English, Tagalog, kukuan, German. Oy, sagol-sagol. Kapoy ko. Ah, sige, guys. Oy, bye.